Scott Van Rapphorst. Welcome to MBA Now. We are here at MBA's 2018 Annual Convention and Expo. I am here with Rohit Gupta of Genworth, who recently just won a Diversity and Inclusion Award. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank you, Rob.
Can you tell us a little bit about your company and your efforts with diversity?
Oh, absolutely. So this submission was all about our evolution of diversity and inclusion program and what we have done over the last few years. When we started down the path of diversity and inclusion, we actually started with focusing on recruiting. So we were recruiting to actually bring more diverse talent in. Over a period of time, we started evolving that. So we started focusing on not only diversity-based recruiting, but making sure that we were actually making the experience a better one for employees as they entered our workforce. So we focused on employee resource groups. These were groups where employees can actually share experiences with diversity, share experiences with kind of different topics. In addition to that, we actually went back and started creating these opportunities for them to have these uncomfortable discussions given the events that we have gone through as a country. And finally, in the last year or so, we've actually increased the amount of programming we have on training around inclusion as well as unconscious bias. So we set that as a baseline, and now as employees come in and as our employees go through every year, there's a required amount of training for them around these microaggression topics and diversity and inclusion topics, which are coming up every year.
Why do you feel that diversity and inclusion is critical to the success of your company, or any company for that matter?
So I think given where we are as an industry, we definitely look at ourselves as a company or look at the industry of mortgage finance overall. We as an industry do not represent what we see in our communities. And as you've seen from different numbers, from forecasts on what our demographics will look like, our demographics are going to look different than what we look as an industry. In order to be successful with our consumers, with our customers, we want to make sure that we are representing what our community looks like.
Yeah. Lastly, let me just ask you, can you talk a little bit about the value of an MBA membership?
Absolutely. MBA and our membership with MBA goes back a long time, even back to our years as GE. And we get a bunch of different benefits that I can think of from the top of my head. I would say just starting off with policy topics, regulatory topics, legislative topics. We get a lot of updates from MBA on what opportunities or challenges might be coming our way, and we can also figure out what's coming to our customers, our lender partners. Second thing I would say is when we communicate with our customers, we have 1,000 lender partners we do business with every day. If you expand that to branches, that number even goes higher. MBA's marketing tools, email campaigns are tools that we can use as a company to communicate with our customers, talk to them about our products and services, and get the word out there. Third thing I would say is from conferences like this, whether it's an annual conference or secondary conference, it gives us a very concentrated opportunity to talk to our customers within a 2.5, 3-day time period. So our calendar starts on Sunday evening, going to Wednesday morning. We are typically able to hit like 25 to 30 customers back to back, understand the opportunities, understand the challenges, and then figure out how do we actually help them succeed in the marketplace. Personally, I would say my experience at ResBog and participating in the Residential Board of Governors, learning about what's going on in the marketplace and the role we need to play in advocacy, the role we need to play in terms of talking to regulators in order for us to be a sustainable industry has been great for us. So we really value our membership.
Yeah, well, we value you too. Thanks so much for coming by, talking about the award you won and your membership with us.
Absolutely. Thank you.